Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Swagarasi. How are you all? I hope you all are so fine. So first of all, please like, subscribe, share and don't forget to comment and press the bell icon. Today we are going to talk about World Wildlife Conservation Day. So let's start with introduction. Wildlife conservation refers to the practice of protecting wild species and their habitats in order to maintain healthy wildlife species or populations and to restore, protect or enhance natural ecosystems. Major threats to wildlife include habitat destruction, degradation, fragmentation, overexploitation, poaching, pollution, and climate change. The IUCN estimates that 27,000 species of the ones assessed are at risk of extinction, expanding to all existing species. A 2019 UN report on biodiversity put this estimate even higher at the million species. It is also being acknowledged and an increasing number of ecosystems on Earth containing endangered species are disappearing. To address these issues, there have been both national and international governmental efforts to preserve Earth's wildlife. Prominent conservation agreements include the 1973 Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora CITES and the 1992 Convention on Biological Diversity CBD. There are also numerous non-governmental organizations NGOs dedicated to conservation such as the Nature Conservancy, World Wildlife Fund and Conservation International. So now let's talk about threats to wildlife. Habitat destruction. Habitat destruction decreases the number of places wildlife can live in. Habitat fragmentation breaks up a continuous tract of habitat, often dividing large wildlife populations into several smaller ones. Human caused habitat loss and fragmentation are primary drivers of species declines and extinction. Key examples of human included habitat loss include deforestation, agriculture expansion, and urbanization. Habitat destruction fragmentation can increase the vulnerability of wildlife populations by reducing the space and resources available to them and by increasing the likelihood to conflict with humans. Moreover, destruction and fragmentation create smaller habitats. Smaller habitats supports smaller populations and smaller populations are more likely to go extinct. So now let's talk about poaching. Poaching for illegal wildlife trading is a major threat to certain species, particularly endangered ones whose status makes them economically valuable. Such species include many large mammals like African elephants, tigers, and rhinoceros, traded for their tusks, skins, and horns, respectively. Less well known targets of poaching include the harvest of protected plants and animals for sovereigns, food, skins, pets, and more because poachers tend to target threatened and endangered species. Poaching causes already small populations to decline even further. So now let's talk about pollution. A wide range of pollutants negatively impact wildlife health. For some pollutants, simple exposure is enough to do damage. Example pesticides. For others, it's through inhaling, example air pollutants, or ingesting it, example toxic metals. Pollutants affect different species in different ways, so a pollutant that is bad for one might not affect another. There are also one topic killing is the deliberate and selective killing of wildlife by governments for various purposes. An example of this is shark culling, in which shark control programs in Queensland and New South Wales in Australia have killed thousands of sharks as well as turtles, dolphins, whales and other marine life. So this is culling. I hope you are conserving wildlife. If someone is not conserving wildlife, please teach them, because if we can teach people about wildlife, they will be touched. The most dangerous world view is the world view of those who have not viewed the world. I hope this video is helpful to you. So please like, subscribe, share and don't forget to comment and press the bell icon. Thank you.